The sirens cut through the silence of the early morning, wailing down I-95 like a desperate prayer. Under the harsh fluorescent lights of Mercy General's trauma bay, 40-year-old Darnell lay barely conscious, blood pooling in the pleural cavity of his chest, a hemothorax rapidly stealing his breath, and with it his life. Just hours before, Darnell had been driving home from his night shift at the logistics warehouse. He was 5 minutes from home when a drunk driver ran a red light at 65 miles per hour. The last thing he remembered was the blinding glare of headlights and the sickening crunch of metal. Now a trauma surgeon named Dr. Choi hovered over him, eyes sharp behind her mask. The CT scan confirmed it. Massive left-sided hemothorax, crushed ribs, and a flail segment threatening to collapse his lung. There was no time to wait. "Prep for thoracotomy," Dr. Choi ordered, and the OR team snapped into motion. The operating room was a dance of urgency, steel, blood, precision. They cracked his chest and suctioned the accumulating blood. A torn intercostal artery bled like a broken promise. Dr. Choi clamped it, sutured with the steady hands of someone who'd been here too many times before. They evacuated nearly 1.8 liters of blood, just minutes more, and Darnell would have drowned in his own chest. 2 hours later, under warm blankets in the ICU, Darnell opened his eyes. The ventilator hummed beside him, but he was alive. Dr. Choi was there. Her tired eyes now softened. "You almost didn't make it," she said gently. "But you're here. You fought." He wanted to speak, but couldn't. His eyes welled instead, not just from fear, but from overwhelming gratitude. Someone had fought for him, strangers with scalpels and resolve. Over the next few days, the fog lifted. His sister visited, holding his hand through the pain. His son called from Howard University, crying as he promised to come home that weekend. Darnell began breathing on his own again, slowly, painfully, but with purpose. That moment, in the quiet hum of the ICU, Darnell realized something. Survival wasn't just a gift.